Hello. Here I am with Kim and Patrice, and we are inside of their fourth short-term rental, which they've been growing this business like crazy. So you guys are doing awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And we'll show some video of this place. It looks wonderful. So tell us about what happened out of Genesis. What did you do?
So actually, it was after we met you, Al.
Okay.
I mean, before we even went to Genesis,
Yeah.
we, with knowing that we could actually arbitrage instead of buy a vacation rental,
Yeah.
we got busy right away, and we had our first place before we even came to Genesis.
Which is very true.
Oh, that's right.
Yes.
I forgot.
Yes.
I was like, wait, we gotta talk first. You guys
Like,
already done it.
No.
I
So
know.
we had a good opportunity, and then when we went to Genesis, we learned about running the numbers.
Yeah.
And fortunately, the place that we got before we went to Genesis was right at the top of our.
It wasn't outside the bounds.
It wasn't outside the
Outside.
bounds, but it was at the top of max rent that we should be paying for a place in this area. So after that, we were able to get something more reasonable, a couple of units. We found that working through property management companies, they weren't very open
Right.
to us arbitraging.
Right.
So we were able to find some homeowners that, or
realtors too.
or even small property management people that were willing to arbitrage. And it was the property managers that weren't electronically savvy.
Okay.
So
You're
they
definitely solving their problem.
right.
Yeah.
So they weren't really good at marketing, or they just hated doing that part of it. I mean, there's some people I still give checks to. So they, this is all new to them.
Right.
This kind of business.
Absolutely. So run us through the numbers of this place. So how much is it? How much are expenses per month? So it puts us at about $3,400 of expenses, and we're in this Silicon Valley here in
Yep.
California.
Yeah.
And then how much the income?
About $1,000.
$1,000 of net income
Yes,
per month.
per month.
All right. And you guys have bookings for the rest of the year already.
Yeah, pretty
Which is
much.
pretty
I
amazing.
mean, we were worried about September, but we got 2 people that almost filled it up, and we're, if I make rent, that's awesome.
Uh-huh.
But I mean, we're above rent now. We're at $1,200 for September.
For September already.
Yeah, already.
And this is the end of August right
Yeah,
now. So
right.
that's amazing. And as your profiles grow and your
Mhm.
reputation grows,
Yeah.
well, they call themselves Red Door. Red Door. So tell me the full theme line.
Red Door Housing Services.
Red Door Housing Services. So you guys are ever in the area,
Yeah.
make sure you stick with that brand.
www.reddoorrenter.
Red Door Renter. So that's amazing. And we're gonna take some video of the place. So you guys have 4 of these. So is it typically between $800 and $1,000 per unit, or how's it been?
We have one that we're strictly traveling nurses, and right now the average income on those, is $750 a month.
Okay, that's the net.
Yeah.
750. So that's pretty good. You guys are slowly building up something that's gonna to cause you just to stay on the resort.
Yeah,
All right,
love it.
let's go take a look at this place. Here, on action.
Kim,
Patrice?
and we did Al's Genesis about, I don't know,
In
four or
March,
five
I believe
months.
March.
Yeah.
About March.
You got to do it. He'll give you a jump start and to try and get your arbitrage business going. Be able to answer all your questions. He'll give you the support you need to get going. We're sitting here with 3, almost 4 units, going strong. He's here looking at our unit right now and giving us some critiques.
Yes.
So, good luck.
All right.